Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the things I buy on Amazon. I know these are one of my absolute favorite things to watch. I can get lost in Amazon so easy and buy so many random things. And I love watching these videos, obviously, to get ideas on what else I can get from Amazon. I'm going to break this video up, I think, into 3 parts because I have so much stuff. I'm going to do this video, which will be part 1, and it's going to be all the Korean beauty items that I have ordered on Amazon over the past couple months. And then I'm going to have a clothing one, and then I'm going to have a miscellaneous one. But let's get started. Like I said, this video is going to be about all the Korean beauty items that I've bought, and I have 10 products to share with you. Most I really do like, unfortunately. So I will be posting here the correct name in case I either can't pronounce it or I may have said something wrong, and then I'll also have the price. I'll also link everything below if you want to take a look at it yourself. Right, my first product I'm going to share with you is this brand, and I actually believe this isn't Korean, this is Japanese, if I'm not mistaken. And this is by SUHADA, and I was looking at my phone. I got this recommended by Penn Smith, I believe her name is. She's an esthetician. She loves this stuff. So I ordered it. I've been using it for probably a month, and I am really impressed. I think it makes my skin feel really nice. I use this right after I wash my face, so my face might be a little bit dry or tight from whatever cleanser I'm using, and this always puts moisture right back in my skin. So far I'm really loving it, and I'm thinking it might become a staple. I don't know if this necessarily replaces a toner, but it's Urea moisture lotion. So I don't think this replaces a toner because I've still been using one, which is probably why my face feels tight, because I tone after I've cleansed and then I put this on, and I just use my hand. I just pour a few drops in my hand, rub it, and I make sure to put it on my chest and face and even the back of my hands. So it's not Amazon Prime. I couldn't find it on Amazon Prime, and this did take about 3 weeks, 2 weeks maybe, to get it. So it definitely takes a while, so don't expect to get it in like the 2 days like you would with normal or Amazon Prime, because this isn't Prime. But highly recommend that. The next product I have is actually fairly new, and this is a toner. It is by, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, it's Elizavecca, and I believe this is Korean. I've used this quite a few times. I keep things in boxes for like ever. That last product didn't come in a box, or it probably still would be in one. So this is, it's called Pore Cleanup AHA Fruit Toner. And this is, let's see what it's supposed to do. And this did arrive to me within a couple days. And claims for this is it won't let makeup stick to your skin. And it exfoliates quickly, unclogs pores, smooths wrinkles, and brightens and evens out skin tone. I don't think it does all that, but I definitely think it gets whatever is left on my face off. So if I do a double cleanse, if that doesn't get everything, this definitely does. So far I really like it. You can hardly tell I've used it. But I've used it for probably at least 3 weeks. And so far I'm very impressed. I don't know if it will replace a toner yet. I'm not really partial to any toner. I do really like the ordinary toner, and it is about half the cost of this. But we'll have to see. I mean, if my face, after I've been using up the bottle, is like amazing, I would consider switching to this. But so far, I really like it. Definitely removes makeup and anything else on my face. I would recommend this. I will talk about creams. This cream is by almost every, I only have 3 brands. I have this brand, I have the SUHADA, whatever, and then this Elizavecca brand, and then I have another brand, and those are the only 3 brands I actually ordered from. So this next product is a retinol cream, EGF retinol cream, and it's elastic. I don't know. This was interesting. The nice thing is it does come with a little spatula and the almost like Elmer's glue. This product, I don't know how I feel. So I've had this as long as I've had the toner, and I don't know, let's look up let me get the information on it. Right, so this costs $12.09, and this is not Amazon Prime, but I believe I got this really quickly, like maybe an extra day or two for things that aren't Prime. So that was nice. It was says it's for all skin types. Oh my heck! It's for all skin types. It says with pure retinol and swiftlet nest extract, EGF, to help diminish the appearance of wrinkles and even out elastic skin texture and tone. I've only been using this for, like I said, about 3 weeks. I'm not sure I feel anything toning or the elasticity of my skin any better, so I'm not sure I would recommend this, but so far I like it. First impression, I know it's not totally the first impression because I have been using it for a while. It doesn't make me break out, which everything does. It hasn't given me a rash, which pretty much everything does. So that has it going for it. This is probably one of the products that I'm like, I do have a favorite moisturizer that I always use, so that could be why I'm not like, whatever. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I would say give it a try if you have pretty normal skin. I don't know how this would work with someone with oily skin. I just think it's very sticky. It's not bad, but I don't know if I would repurchase it, if that makes sense, as of yet. This is also by Elizavecca. I'm not even sure how to say that. Let me know below if you know. And this is the CF Nest 97% B-jo Serum. And I did look up to see what this is specifically for, and they have found that it is a hydrating serum. So it actually comes like this. You can tell I've used a little bit, but it is very, I don't want to say watery, not sticky, not goopy, but not necessarily watery. It's kind of an in-between consistency. It has a very cute picture. I do like it. I would compare this a lot to my Collagen Vino Perfect Serum, which is also mostly for hydrating. I'm almost out of this. I do love this. I think these are very comparable, but this is probably in the $60 to $80 range. This was $10.84 on Amazon, and it is also not Prime, but this did come really quick as the cream did. And let's see, what does it say on here? Help with moisture to recover the elasticity of your skin. I will say, it is really good. It is very hydrating. My skin, after I do any harsh exfoliants or a lactic acid or something, and I use this afterwards, this definitely calms and relaxes my skin. So I definitely would say it's worth it, and it's not very much for 10 bucks. I mean, it's wonderful. I would consider repurchasing this. So far, I've been using it 3 weeks. I'm very, very impressed. So this would be a thumbs up from me. The next product is also from Elizavecca. I hope I'm saying that somewhat correct. And this is called the Piggy Pore Control Hyaluronic Acid 97%. It has niacinamide in it, and it says just to use a couple drops. It says help the skin whitening and to relieve wrinkles. So I don't know how you can relieve wrinkles, but okay. So this is also very watery, not really droopy or sticky, and I've only used this every other night that I use this, but I do like them. If I had to pick which one I feel is more hydrating, I would say this B-jo serum I prefer better with my skin. The last serum I have, and this one I'm like halfway out, and I've been using this one since about January, so I've been using this one a lot longer. This is the Multifunction Formula Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule. This is by MIZON or MIZON, or I have been using this for, like I said, about 6 months. I'm only halfway through, but I do rotate this between other hydrating serums. Again, like the other two, I've been rotating between these 3 at the time. I like this one. But if I had to pick, I still think I would pick this B-jo one. I don't know. I like the consistency more than this one, but they both make my skin feel so soft after using it and calm it down after anything else I've done to it. Or if I'm having a reaction, I can put this like on my neck and it would totally relax. Won't take away my reaction and my rash, but it will make it it'll make it stop burning, and my skin will feel just really nice with this. So I definitely recommend this. The last I have are 2 eye creams. The first one is also by MIZON or whatever. I ordered this the same time that I ordered the Snail serum stuff. So this is the Intensive Firming Solution Collagen Power Firming Eye Cream. And I've been using this since January, and I'm probably 2/3 of the way done. Amazon Prime. This is a very sticky eye cream. It is not creamy like the IT Cosmetics eye cream or the, what other eye creams? The Avocado, Kiehl's eye cream, or even the, what other ones have I used? It's kind of like the Clinique eye cream, the one in the little pink jar. It's very much like that consistency. It's kind of a gel. There's a good word, a gel. And it is hydrating. I don't think it does anything else. I don't think it has any collagen properties doing, or at least I haven't noticed a difference in using it for 6 months, but I will use it up. I won't repurchase this. I would say find something else. They do have another Snail repair type eye cream that on Amazon that I probably would try before I would buy this again. It's just kind of hydrating. So if you're looking for just to hydrate under your eyes, this would be a good one. That's what I can say about that one. So the next eye cream is the Elizavecca, back to that brand, eye cream. This one is a very creamy eye cream. So it is a white balm eye cream. It is called the Elizavecca Gold CF Nest White Balm Eye Cream. Whitening Wrinkles Functionality. It's $9. It also is not Amazon Prime, but this arrived with the other 2 products. I've only been using this for about 3 weeks, so I know I can't have total results from it yet, because I think eye creams do take at least a month or more to kind of see if it's doing much. But I do really like the consistency. I think because I would prefer a cream over something like this that is more gel is why I like this more. I do think this is very nice. So I would buy this again, even right now, not knowing how much it works. And it's only $9. That is very, very affordable. SUKOYAKA SUHADA. Urea Moisture Eye Cream. This was also a recommendation from Penn Smith, which is why I got it. And I've been using this for about, this took forever to come in, just like that other one. So as ever long I've been using that moisture. Sorry, new angle. My camera kept dying, so I switched back to my phone. And I just wanted to finish sharing this last product. So this was the Urea Moisture Eye Cream. It is wonderful. I think you pay a little bit over $20 and you get it on Amazon and you get it fairly quick. Not necessarily Prime, I believe, but I got it probably within a week and a half, and I've been using it consistently for about a month. I am very happy with the result. So it's a cream based, but it's really nice, as you can tell. It's just cream more than a gel, and it makes your under eyes just feel so nice. I highly recommend that one. So that is going to be all. So I'm going to close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you've ordered any of the Korean products or Japanese, as it now turns out, off of Amazon, and what you think or what I need to try. Also, let me know if you've tried any of these products and what you think. Maybe I'm using them incorrectly or need to use them longer, or you tell me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you buy any of them too. I'd be curious to know. Anyways, talk to you later. Thank you.